Let me guess, you've seen those videos. Turn $100 into $1,000 with AI. Set it and forget it. Make money while you sleep. And for a moment, it actually feels possible. You start thinking maybe this is it. Maybe this is the shortcut you've been waiting for. But before you connect any AI trading bot to your account, you need to hear this. Because this one decision can either save you months of frustration or cost you everything you've built so far. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI trading bots are not magic. They don't actually understand the market, they don't predict the future, and they definitely don't guarantee profits. All they really do is follow a set of rules. That's it. They execute strategies faster than you ever could. But if the strategy behind it is weak or flawed, the bot will simply lose money faster. And this is where most beginners get trapped. They start believing the problem is themselves, that they're not disciplined enough or not experienced enough. So they try to fix that by jumping straight into automation. But what they don't realize is they're skipping the most important step, which is actually understanding what they're doing. If we're being honest, most people don't even want a trading bot. What they really want is relief. Relief from overthinking every trade, from the fear of losing money, from staring at charts all day, and from feeling like they're always behind everyone else. It's the same feeling you get when you procrastinate. You're not avoiding the work because you're lazy. You're avoiding it because it feels overwhelming. So an AI bot starts to look like the perfect solution. You tell yourself, I'll just let the bot handle it. But the problem is you can't automate something you don't understand, because the moment things go wrong, and they will at some point, you won't know what to fix or how to respond. What usually happens is pretty predictable. You find a bot, you connect it, and at first, it actually works. You see a few winning trades, and suddenly you feel excited. It feels like you finally cracked it. But then the market shifts, and everything changes. You start seeing losses, then more losses, and now you're confused. You start asking yourself, wait, I thought this was AI, isn't it supposed to handle this? At that point, most people either turn it off too late after losing a chunk of their account, or they leave it running, hoping it will recover. And that's where the real damage happens. Not because the bot is bad, but because you gave up control without understanding risk. Now, this doesn't mean AI trading bots are useless. They can actually be powerful tools when used correctly. The key is how you approach them. The right way to use a bot is to start by learning a simple strategy yourself. Nothing complicated, just one clear setup that you fully understand. Because at the end of the day, the bot is only executing your logic. It's not creating anything new on its own. Once you have that, the next step is testing. This is where most people rush. You need to run the bot on a demo account and actually observe it. Watch how it behaves, how it handles losses, whether it overtrades, and whether it truly follows the rules you expect. If you skip this step, you're basically gambling with your money. Another important thing is staying involved. A bot is not a replacement for you. It's just a tool. You still need to monitor performance, make adjustments, and understand when market conditions change. Think of it like this. The bot is driving, but you're still in the car. If something goes wrong and you're not paying attention, you're still the one who faces the consequences. And this leads to one of the most important points, which is risk management. This is what separates people who survive from people who blow their accounts. You should never risk too much, no matter how good the bot looks on paper, because all it takes is one bad phase in the market to wipe everything out. And no AI can protect you from poor risk management decisions. The biggest shift you need to make is this. Stop looking for shortcuts and start building systems. Trading is not about finding the perfect bot that prints money. It's about consistency, discipline, and understanding how the market actually moves. The reality is, even if someone gave you the best AI trading bot in the world, without the right mindset, you would still lose. Not because the tool failed, but because you weren't ready to use it properly. And that's not a bad thing. That's just where most people start. So if you're thinking about using an AI trading bot, remember this: it's not a shortcut, it's an amplifier. It will amplify your strategy, your discipline, and also your mistakes. That's why you need to take your time. Start simple. Learn the basics, test everything, and stay in control. Don't rush the process, because the real goal isn't just to make money quickly, it's to actually keep it. If you're serious about trading, start today with one small step. Pick one strategy and take time to really understand it, even if it's just for 30 minutes. No bots, no shortcuts, just you learning and improving. And when you're ready, then you can bring in the tools and use them the right way. Let's build this properly.